Fixing error 0x8024002 days? Let's resolve Windows Update issues and get your system up to date quickly. To start, right-click on the Windows Start button. Then, go to Settings. Next, click on System. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Now, click on Other Troubleshoots. Here, you'll see a button that says Run. Click on it. And wait for the process to complete. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, here's the magic command. Copy the command regsvr 32% windr% system 320wps2.dl from video description and paste here and press enter. In the video description below, you'll find the command sfc/scannow. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt and hit enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Now, the final step, restart your computer. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for services in the search bar. And open it. In the Services window, look for Background Intelligent Transfer. Double-click on it to open its properties. Now, find Startup Type and select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click on Apply and then click OK. This time, click on Stop to halt the service. Again, find Startup Type and make sure it's set to Automatic. Click on Apply and then OK to save your changes. Finally, click on Restart. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.